Welcome back to Easy English Duo.
Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here again.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Lina. This is episode 3 of season 1, Morning Routine. Today we'll talk all about mornings, how to wake up, what to do first, and how to say it in English.
Yes, you'll learn many useful phrases to describe your mornings, from the moment you open your eyes to leaving the house.
And we'll speak slowly and repeat a lot, so you can practice with us.
Exactly. You can even pause this podcast and repeat each sentence out loud. So, Lina, do you like mornings?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why sometimes no?
Because I love sleeping late. Getting up early is hard for me.
I understand. For me, mornings are not easy, but I feel good when I wake up early.
Oh yes, waking up early makes the day longer and more productive.
Let's teach our listeners how to talk about this in English.
Yes, whether you're a morning person or a night owl, you'll learn today.
Let's start with some easy phrases. Repeat after us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wake up early.
Wake up early.
Sleep late.
Sleep late.
Morning person.
Morning person.
Night owl.
Night owl.
Perfect. Now you know how to describe yourself in English. Okay, Lina, are you ready to start the morning routine step by step?
I'm ready, but still a little sleepy. Ha 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 ha.
That's okay. Let's wake up together. Lina, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I open my eyes and say good morning.
Good morning. I say that too.
Good morning.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Let's say it together. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, my alarm rings.
My alarm rings too. Sometimes I hit snooze.
Yes, I hit snooze too.
After snoozing, I sit up and stretch.
I sit up and stretch too.
Then I open the curtains and let the sunshine in.
I open the curtains and let the sunshine in. Sometimes I say, hello, sunshine.
I like that. Hello, sunshine. Perfect. Now we are ready for the day. All right, Lina. We've woken up and opened the curtains. What's next in your morning?
Next, I go to the bathroom.
Ah, yes, the bathroom routine. What's the first thing you do there?
I wash my face. The cold water wakes me up.
That's a great idea. Let's repeat. I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Do you also brush your teeth right away?
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
Me too. Repeat after us. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Lina, how long do you brush your teeth?
At least 2 minutes. I say, brush, brush, brush.
That's good. Dentists recommend 2 minutes.
Yes, after that, I rinse my mouth with water.
Let's practice. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I rinse my mouth.
I rinse my mouth.
What do you do next?
I look in the mirror and comb my hair.
Repeat. I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
Do you ever talk to yourself in the mirror?
Sometimes I say, "Good morning, Lina. You look great today."
That's nice. Let's all say it. Good morning. I look great today.
Good morning. I look great today.
Do you take a shower in the morning or later?
Sometimes in the morning, sometimes at night. But when I shower in the morning, I feel fresh and ready.
I feel the same. Let's repeat. I take a shower in the morning.
I take a shower in the morning.
The shower makes me feel fresh.
The shower makes me feel fresh.
What about washing your hands and face with soap?
Yes, I wash my hands with soap and warm water.
Repeat. I wash my hands with soap.
I wash my hands with soap.
I wash my face with warm water.
I wash my face with warm water.
Now you, listening at home, repeat your bathroom routine.
I wake up and go to the bathroom.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I rinse my mouth.
I comb my hair and look in the mirror.
I take a shower and feel fresh.
Great job! That's a perfect bathroom routine in English.
Lina, tell me again. What's your full bathroom routine?
I wash my face, brush my teeth, rinse my mouth, comb my hair, sometimes talk to myself in the mirror, and take a shower.
All right, Lina. After the bathroom, what's next in your morning routine?
Next is my favorite part, breakfast.
Me too. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Yes, it gives me energy for the whole morning.
So, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread with butter and drink tea.
That sounds delicious. I usually have coffee and eggs.
Let's help everyone repeat these phrases.
I eat bread with butter. I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I eat eggs.
I eat eggs.
Sometimes I like to eat something sweet in the morning,
Oh, like what?
like a croissant or pancakes with honey.
Yummy. I also eat fruit sometimes, an apple or a banana.
Repeat, everyone. I eat a croissant.
I eat a croissant.
I eat pancakes with honey.
I eat pancakes with honey.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
Do you eat your breakfast slowly or quickly?
Honestly, very quickly. I'm always late.
Same here. I usually say, I have a quick breakfast. Let's repeat. I have a quick breakfast.
I have a quick breakfast.
I eat fast in the morning.
I eat fast in the morning.
But sometimes, when we have time,
We eat slowly and relax.
repeat. I eat slowly and relax.
I eat slowly and relax.
Now it's your turn. Describe your breakfast in English. Say it out loud.
I eat.
I drink.
I have a quick breakfast.
Or, I eat slowly and relax.
Leaving the house alone.
Okay, Lina. Now we have breakfast. What's the last thing you do before leaving the house?
I prepare my bag. I make sure I have everything I need for the day.
That's important. I also check my backpack and make sure I have my phone, wallet, and keys. Repeat with us. I prepare my bag.
I check my backpack.
I have my phone, wallet, and keys.
I have my phone, wallet, and keys.
Lina, what do you usually put in your bag?
My notebook, my lunch, my water bottle, and sometimes my umbrella.
An umbrella is always useful.
Yes, especially when it rains.
Repeat. I put my notebook in my bag.
I put my notebook in my bag.
I put my lunch in my bag.
I put my lunch in my bag.
I put my water bottle in my bag.
I put my water bottle in my bag.
I take my umbrella.
I take my umbrella.
And after packing your bag, what do you do?
I put on my shoes and jacket.
Yes, we say, I get dressed and put on my shoes. Repeat, everyone. I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my jacket.
I put on my jacket. Leaving the house.
Now, the last step, we leave the house.
Yes, I check that I have my keys. I lock the door and I say, "Bye, house. See you later."
That's funny. I say goodbye to my dog before leaving. Repeat with us. I lock the door.
I say goodbye before leaving.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
I go to school. Mini practice for listeners.
Now you, listening to us, describe how you leave the house. Prepare my bag.
I put on my shoes and jacket.
I lock the door.
I leave the house and go to...
Great. You're doing it step by step in English.
Full recap conversation.
All right, Lina. We've done everything in the morning. Let's review the full routine from start to finish.
Yes. Let's do it step by step for everyone listening. Step 1. Waking up.
First, we wake up.
I wake up. My alarm rings. I hit snooze. Then I finally get up.
We stretch, take a deep breath, and open the curtains.
And we say, "Good morning, new day."
Step 2. Bathroom routine. After that, it's time for breakfast.
I eat bread with butter. Sometimes fruit. And drink tea or orange juice.
I usually have coffee and eggs.
Sometimes we eat fast.
And sometimes slowly when we have time.
Step 4. Leaving the house. Finally, we prepare to leave the house.
I prepare my bag with my notebook, water bottle, lunch, and keys.
I put on my shoes and jacket.
I lock the door, say goodbye, and leave the house.
I go to school or work, ready for the day.
Interactive practice for listeners. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us, step by step.
I wake up and stretch.
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast and drink tea.
I prepare my bag and put on my shoes.
I leave the house and go to school or work.
Great job! You just said your morning routine in English. Thank you for joining us in Easy English Duo Episode 3.
Today, you learned how to describe your entire morning routine, from waking up to leaving the house.
Practice these phrases every morning.
Say them out loud as you do your routine.
The more you practice, the faster you'll speak English.
In the next episode, we'll talk about evening routine.
Don't miss it.
Subscribe, like, and share with friends who also want to learn English.
Bye-bye, and see you next time.